My coworker Bob Hunter asked me when I was growing up Amish if we had turkey and stuffing in the normal Thanksgiving tradition like you would out here in the non-Amish world. The answer is no. When I was growing up Amish, we never had a turkey or even stuffing for Thanksgiving meal when I was growing up. So we had all of our meat canned. All of our vegetables was canned from the garden in the summertime. Every winter we butchered a whole hog, a whole cow, butchered all of our chickens. We even hunted deer. And all of our meats and all of our vegetables from the garden was always canned by a pressure cooker. We didn't have no electricity, no freezer to put the meat in to keep it good, keep it frozen. Everything was canned. We had hundreds, if not thousands, of cans of vegetables and meat in the basement.